What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. We're here on Rattle Rock with Andrew Bailey, Marvin Stamel with Flex Rocks and Rollovers, Anthony with the Crazy Gladiator. So we've made it up to this point so far. We're still going, but we've made it up this far. And Factor 55, we're here with them too. So we've made it up to here, and we're waiting on Marvin to get up. The final section, the Gladiator, was a little too long for this section right here. Just took it out. So we had to get him up. Look at that tire. So, had to get the winches out. Thank you, Warren Winch. So now we're about to send number 2 up there. Let's go around here. Wow. So we're about 60% through Rattle Rock, and I'm in a pretty nasty spot, and I just broke. So this is crazy. I'm all jacked up in here. Look at that shot. Autumn blew it out. Blew out the seal, or just, well, I think it's just a cap, but I'm dragging ass all over it. And then on this side,
I think it's rough upward, but you can go down. Yeah? I think so. That's what he said. I've never done it. Oh, that would be awesome.
Smile, like you're having fun.
Take a photo of that.
Yes. Look at the tire.
Oh, your wheel is also about to come off.
Yep. Yep.
That just sucks.
I wonder if we could back up a little bit.
Nope, not yet. Not yet. We get that cap out, then we can do a lot of things, but not yet.
Yeah.
Especially how that cap will push.
Oh, if you would have had 38s, it would have been fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
40s is what messed you up here.
Yeah.
That doesn't clear. Your grill and your bumper and your fender.
Still having a blast though. Positivity. We are trying to get out of Rattle Rock here. I broke the entire shaft. Weirdly enough, I didn't break the U-joint, I just broke the shaft. So my Jeep is down there. And I'm hooked up to the TJ. That way We're gonna play leapfrog. He's gonna get further up here, and then I'll winch, and then he'll get further, and then I'll winch. So we're having a great time. Having a great time.
We do it right. That right front could go up that.
Up this? No. I'd probably
Under the cable.
Yeah, maybe.
Stack a couple
It was-
rocks.
This way bad.
Was it?
That doesn't look like much for that left front.
Oh, it's Rick Payway.
And then you got all the weight on it, and when you try to,
These rocks are massive.
he's got more of that.
This is ridiculous. This is so much fun. We are all working together to get me out of here. To get me out of Rattle Rock. Yes, sir.
I want you to go drive her and see if she'll crawl forward a little. Hey, back a foot. Back 1 foot.
That away.
There you go. Keep the front end to come down, and that way your back end's gonna go over. Or are you gonna try? I'm trying to see if you're gonna try to hold over the top. I mean, we'll see if it goes.
Sergio, the rock under your front line is what your rear dip catches on, otherwise. That rock right there. The one on your front line.
You scratched Gerald's bumper. Hey, that was like that.
I don't like this at all. No. You need to get the front end over 2 feet now. Is your front dig down out there?
Go backwards. I'm not gonna edit that out.
Pretty bad. No, not. There she goes. Oh, no. Go back in again.
Same spot. Keep going. Keep going.
Jesus. We're in the last leg of Rattle Rock. Exit to Rattle Rock's right up there, but the line is spinning in the drum, so now we're trying to figure this out while somebody else is getting out there. Yeah, it's more fun. I see Warren can't fix it. Thank God Warren's here.
I'm not going up and down, I'm gonna yell at her.
But this is a situation that is a very tense situation. So, and it's getting dark. Wear it out. So yeah, this is getting good. Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. So we are back from Windrock. We got off the trail last night at about 9, and I came to the camper 8 and passed out, and then in the morning I just loaded up, came straight here. So it was a ton of fun. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to Marvin with Flex Rocks and Rollovers, Andrew Bailey, Andy with the giant freaking Gladiator, Warren, Rick Payway, Fred from Warren, and a couple others. I can't name you all. Clay, thank you so much, guys. You made that trip possible, and everything was an absolute blast. I am really tired. So I just got the school bus unloaded as far as the interior goes, and so now we're going to deal with checking over the Jeep and looking at battle scars, which she has a few. So pretty much just as far as the wheels go, they just got curb stomped a bunch. So I mean, what do you expect when you do rattle rock in a, daily driven Jeep? It's one of the hardest trails that Windrock has to offer. So I hit the quarter panel right here. That was nice. I hit the hard top up there, and then I slid down it. Luckily it didn't break it. Hit the fender. Just took out the rock sliders, both sides. I came down super hard right here. Bent the body mount, hit the frame, hit all the sliders. The control arms just got destroyed pretty much as far as paint wise, but they held up, so that's good. Dented the muffler, which ain't a big deal, I don't care. The reservoir on the rear shocks both got hit, so I think I can just tweak it back. But this seal or boot or something got ripped off. Both the mounts got pretty chewed up, bolts got pretty chewed up, but that's okay, that's normal stuff. I hit the Rotopack mounts, so as you can see, I hit both of those. Tore those up, so that was cool. Rear bumper got a little lick. Ain't no big thing, that's what it's for. Let's see what else as far as damage report. Oh, I peeled the shit out of that, the inner fender. I took out this rock slider pretty good. And then like I said, control arms. This skid plate had a fantastic day protecting my gas tank, so that got roughed up. So did the frame, of course, the control arm mounts, all the control arms. Oh, the rear drive shaft yoke got a little touched. Rear axle, front axle's got rock rash on the bottom, but that's okay, it's what they're for. Control arms on the bottom. Front bumper. Let me get up here. Sorry, you're probably like, whoa, stop moving the camera. I hit the front bumper pretty good. I hit it again right here. I hit pretty much the entire steering on the bottom, the whole front, the skid plates on the control arm mounts, all that got pretty tore up, but that's okay, that's what they're for. So as you can see, something's missing right there. So let me go show you what happened to that. But everything else survived. Just minor scrapes and bruises. Ugh. Let me go show you what happened to the right front axle shaft. So that got pretty destroyed. They had to winch me, I mean, almost the whole time to get me out of there. So thank you guys so much, but yeah, it said goodbye. So we got to get a new one of those. But other than that, for the most part, it was really fun. It was really cool. Like I said, thank you guys so much for having me. And thank you for Warren for putting on that ride. It was freaking awesome. I don't think I'll ever do Rattle Rock again, but if I do, it'll definitely be with, you know, tons and PSC system, because I haven't had time to put PSC on it, and I've been getting away with it, but that trail, no. Yeah, you gotta have that. So I'm going to go home. I'm going to sleep heavily, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be working on customers' vehicles, getting the shop all stitch-macated up and everything, and I'll start ordering a front shaft for that, and then that should be it. But guys, I appreciate it. We will see you later.